Welcome to Rigs and Gigs. We're excited to show you all that D-Tech has to offer.
Welcome to Rigs and Gigs!
Welcome to Rigs and Gigs.
D-Tech's mission is to provide students a competitive advantage by fostering the development of the necessary skill set and professional network to seek out technical training, collegiate opportunities, or enter the workforce as a contributing member of their industry from day one, following graduation.
Even if you don't take cybersecurity or networking, taking a D-Tech class is going to show you that there are more options